Have you ever opened Samsung Note and wish it could start directly in handwriting mode so you can immediately write with your S Pen? On the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, Samsung added a small but useful setting that lets you choose the default editing mode when creating a new note or editing an existing one. This means you can make Samsung Note always open in handwriting mode so you can start writing right away. Let me show you how to set it. First, open Samsung Note app. Next, tap the menu icon at the top left corner of the screen. It looks like 3 horizontal lines. Then tap the setting icon. Tap default editing mode. Here you will see 3 options: auto, handwriting, and text. The auto option works the same way Samsung Note behave on previous Galaxy devices. If the S Pen is removed, the note will open in handwriting mode, but if the S Pen is still inside the phone, the note will open in text typing mode. If you choose handwriting, every new note will always open in handwriting mode, even if the S Pen is still inside the phone. And if finger drawing is enabled, you can also write or draw using your finger, not just the S Pen. And if you choose text, every new note will always start in text typing mode, even if you remove the S Pen. For this case, let's select handwriting. This setting applies to both new note and note that you already created, so Samsung Note will always start in the mode you selected. This is very useful if you often use your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra like a digital notebook, because you can start writing or sketching immediately. And that's it. Now Samsung Note will open directly in handwriting mode, helping you start writing faster on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.